Hi B2Cbuying. This is a video to show you that my new ZOPO isn't working. So this is a ZOPO. I plug the battery in. I put the cover on. Okay, now I try to turn it on. It won't turn on. See, so I plug the charger on the telephone. There it goes, and there is no notification LED turning on. Of course, I try to put the charger for more than 6 hours on the phone, and it doesn't work. So I also try another charger, it doesn't work. Now I show you with my power bank. So it is charging, but no notification LED going on. That's all.